You ever DM a girl and she never replies? I guarantee this is why. Most men think women ignore them because they aren't attractive enough or because she's too busy. But that's not the reason. Your Instagram is making you look like someone she wouldn't even consider. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. And if you stick with me for just a few minutes, I'll give you my #1 DM opener that actually works, so you never get left unseen again. Number 1, why your Instagram is pushing women away. Your Instagram is probably making women instantly lose interest before you even DM them. Here's what happens. She gets a notification, she clicks on your profile, and in 2 seconds, she's already decided if she wants to reply or not. That fast. If you have any of these 3 mistakes, she's not even going to consider responding. Mistake number 1, a weak profile photo. If your profile photo is low quality, bad lighting, or worse, a group photo where she doesn't even know which one you are, you're already lost. Women want to see who they're talking to. If they can't, they'll assume you're low status, low value, and move on. Mistake number 2, private account. If your Instagram is private, she's not going to follow you just to find out if you're interesting. Women have so many options, and if she has to work to figure out who you are, she'll just move on. Mistake number 3, a generic bio. Your bio should tell a girl within 2 seconds what kind of guy you are. If it just says work hard, play hard, or some interest or quote, like you're just a guy who loves fitness and travel, she has no reason to care. She's seen it a million times. Your bio should be sharp, clear, and high status. Your brand should go first, then your location. Short, simple, and sweet. Don't overqualify, and no quotes. Simple, direct, shows her exactly who you are. Section 2, how to actually make your Instagram attractive. Step 1, profile photo. You need these 3 things: high quality shot, clear lighting, and a confident expression. No group photos, selfies, or any bad lighting. Step 2, content strategy. Your posts are everything. This is when women decide if you're interesting or forgettable. A woman lands on your profile and instantly asks, what kind of guy is he? If your Instagram is just gym selfies or random pictures with no thought behind them, she has no idea what kind of lifestyle you have. Your content should show 3 things: status, access to scarce resources, and exclusivity. That means high quality, color graded, lifestyle photos, traveling, doing something interesting at a cool venue, not flexing money or being tryhard. You want a high status look, not a flashy, forced image. Step 3, stories. The game changer that most guys forget about and ignore. Most guys don't even use their stories, but women check them first. If you know how to post engaging stories, you're already ahead of 99% of guys. Girls check your story all the time. You can immediately see who's on your profile, who's engaging with your story. That is massive beneficial information to you. Your story should have a lifestyle element, some kind of social proof like being out with friends or event, and a hook or a caption that invites engagement. If your stories are just reposts of memes, you're missing out on one of the biggest attraction tools on Instagram. Section 3, winning the DM opener. Now that we fixed your profile, let's fix your DMs. Most dating coaches out there will tell you to send some long paragraph or some weird, awkward, cringy, creepy message that makes the girl want to block you or not respond to you. So don't say any questions like who lies more, men or women, or comment on some nonsense in her story as if you're trying to join her life. That is the complete wrong approach, and that's why no girl ever responds to you. Instead, the best way to open any conversation with the girl on Instagram is to not give your power away, be concise, and remain high status at the same time initiating a conversation. Something like complimenting something she worked for or attained, not something she was given at birth. Do not compliment her body or her face. You can say something like love your vibe or love your style. That's it. That's simple. It's not needy. It's not try hard. It's simple, high status, and easy for her to respond to. This opens the door for conversation without making you look like every other guy in her inbox. The next part is the fun part, the actual conversation with her. You need to build comfort and rapport before you go for any sort of ask to a date. If you want more videos on how to text girls so they don't ghost you, give you one-word answers, or flake when you try to plan a date, click here to watch my text game videos. But if you do all that correctly, you will have girls responding to you. There are many other ways to increase the response rate especially for a cold DM, things like mutual followers, retargeting ads, but I'll save that for a separate video. Now, if you're serious about making your Instagram a magnet for high quality women, I'm offering a free profile review where I go through your page and tell you exactly what to fix. If you want a free Instagram review done by me and my team, click the link in the description, submit your profile, and let's level your page up and have you attract your perfect 10. Now, if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you next time.